Hi, this is Marla Simpson for Conversations Direct, which can be found on the web at www.conversationsdirect.com. This video is part of our pronunciation and American accent training series. I'm going to use this model to point out the tongue position for some vowel sounds. When you pronounce vowel sounds, your tongue will be low or high. If it's low, your tongue will be flat on the bottom of your mouth. If it's high, it will be up near the top part of your mouth. We will also think about the part of your tongue that makes the sound. The sound can come from the front, the middle, or the back of the tongue. Now we are going to talk about the pronunciation for the I sound in big. To make this sound, the tongue is relaxed and high, but not as high as the E sound in teeth. The sides of the tongue will touch the upper back teeth. The sound comes from the front of the tongue. Your lips will be relaxed. They will be open just a little. This is how your lips will look. This is the I sound in big. I, is, miss. For other videos, please subscribe to our channel or visit our website for a free pronunciation series by email. We can help you improve your English pronunciation and learn to talk with an American accent.